This is the red light district here at Ho Chi Minh. I hate this drink, but we have to work here. At kasama ko pala si Ate Jeline at nagutom na siya. So we tried this restaurant. Malapit na sa hotel namin. And we wanna try another Vietnamese food. And this is what we got. Beef rolls, beef and sampa. We tried the shrimp rolls. And Ate Jeline actually likes it. Hindi lang halata pero pagod na kasi siya sa kakatrabaho. And ako din. But it's good. It's really refreshing. This particular po is amazing too. Okay? Very, very authentic. Magugustuhan mo talaga. Again, hindi lang nagre-react si Ate Jeline pero nasarapan siya, sabi niya sa akin. And for me, nagustuhan ko din talaga. Masarap ang mga food dito and very, very tasty. This is actually my favorite. This is beef bamboo something. And it's good. It's amazing. The rice here is also amazing, surprisingly. Naubos namin ni Ate Jeline to. And yeah, this place is highly recommended. Look at me, devouring that rice and that pho as well. Anyway, guys, this place is highly recommended. I'm just gonna put it on the maps and wish you were here. Bye-bye!